gosh, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we're inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. I am kind of hyper. I just did a show and tell on this wig, which I love. And I thought I would do a little styling video with it. So before we get to that, I want to show you and talk about what I am wearing on my eyes. So today I have the palette by Nabla, and this is their Dreamy 2 palette, the Mystic palette. It's really pretty packaging. The packaging is so luxe on this. And this is what she looks like in the inside. I use some of this Pantheon color here. Just like in the inner corner. These are so dang soft and buttery. And then I used the shade here, New Past, to deepen up the crease. I used this Lucid Dream color in the inner corner. And it's definitely like a duochrome situation. I also used this Deja Vu in the crease. And then all over the lid, I used this color called Hidden Place. It's funny, I was going to use this. So this looks sort of reddish because it is, it does shift. But this one here, let's look at this one first. Let's look at a Hidden Place. Oh, so soft. Yeah, so that's what they look like. This shade is the one that's Hidden Place. On me, I can see it look brown, but it is sort of a duochrome. And then this one is a shift too. But this one here I thought would be a very dark brown. So I was like, okay, cool, let me do that. It's not. It's actually like a purple, like an eggplant. Yeah, oh, there you go. But I'm very, very pleased with this thus far. On my waterline, I used a ColourPop liner because those are my favorite. I used this one here called Bedrock, and this was from their Sandstone collection. So that's what we got for that. The hair accessory that I'm going to use today and do sort of, I guess, like a review on is another hair accessory from Hairdo. I've done a couple of, I'm like, how do you open this? Okay. So this is Hairdo's Trendy Do. It says add style in a flash. Meow meow. So this is their Trendy Do. And I have Trendy Do in the color R29S, which is Glazed Strawberry / Red Blonde, which I think will go so well with this wig here. It's got these like tendrils, as you can see, these like tendril situations. So this is sort of a stretchy band, but you can see here's the bulk here, and then he's got these tendrils things. I'm not sure how I feel about the tendrils, but I guess we will find out once I get this wig together what I feel about the tendrils. All right, let me get to do what I'm gonna do, and then we can talk.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. For nobody else but you. I'm flying high, but show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. Through. falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for nobody else but you. I'm flying high, but show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to.
So this is the final look. It was fairly easy to do. It was more, this particular wig, because it has a little bit more hair, the weight of it, I needed more pins. But if you had a wig that was the same length but less thick, it'd be no problem. I think that hairpiece meshes perfectly. I'm so excited. So Outre's DRFF Golden Amber matches well with Hairdo's R29S, which is their glazed strawberry / red blonde. I think this is like a cute little style. It looks very intricate. It's really not. The bulk of this part is really just using this accessory to create the bulk. 3 braids, pin them around, and you know, you're good to go. You did see me sort of pulling. So with the wig, you know, you don't want it to be super flat in certain places because it does look wiggy. So I was pulling out and pulling down so that it would cover, you know, the ears and your sideburns and things. Plus, I think a little messiness looks kind of nice with hairdos. But yeah, that is what I have for you. If you like these style of videos, please let me know. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.